Hi, welcome back to Strawberry Jam Toys. Today's lesson we are learning zoo animal facts. A toucan. To keep warm, toucans tuck their beak into their feathers. A wombat. Wombats spend 3 to 8 hours a night eating grass. A hedgehog. Hedgehogs rely on hearing and smell as they have poor eyesight. A tiger. Tigers have stripes on their body to camouflage themselves. A porcupine. Porcupines can climb trees to find food or build a nest. A crocodile. Baby crocodiles are born with a length of 20 to 30 centimeters. A koala. Koalas sleep between 18 and 22 hours a day. A bilby. Bilbies have very big ears to help them hear predators. A lion. Lions roar to scare off intruders and to warn other lions. A turtle. Turtles move slowly because they eat plants and don't chase their food. A wolf. Wolves howl to state their territory or find pack members. An otter. Otters hold hands to keep them from floating away from each other. A penguin. Penguins huddle together to keep warm and out of the wind. A meerkat. Meerkats stand up to defend their land and scare predators. A polar bear. Polar bears hibernate in winter as their food sources are low. A frog. Frogs eat insects like flies, mosquitoes, and moths. A monkey. Monkeys sleep sitting in a tree, balancing on a branch. A panda. Pandas eat up to 38 kilograms of bamboo a day. An ostrich. Ostriches are birds, have wings, but cannot fly. A crab. Crabs like to eat algae, fungi, and dead fish. A platypus. Platypuses have no stomach between their gullet and intestines. A quoll. Quolls make dens for shelter and to raise their young. We hope you had fun learning and we will see you at the next lesson.